This video focuses on how to multiply complex numbers. So you have two numbers, that is 6 plus 2i and 3 minus 4i. So to multiply this, we can open these brackets manually, or we could use FOIL. So let us just use FOIL. So to use FOIL, you're going to take the first terms, that is 6 and 3. So you multiply those two and you get 18. Then you're going to take the outer terms, that is 6 and negative 4i. So that is minus 24i. Then we're going to look at the inner ones, that is 2i and 3. So that will be 6i. And then we're going to look at the last ones, that is 2i and minus 4i. So that will be minus 8i squared. So if we collect like terms, then we see that we have 18 minus 24i plus 6i, that is minus 18i. Then we have minus 8i squared. But remember from complex numbers that since I is equal to the root of negative 1, then it means that I squared is the same as minus 1. So wherever there is I squared, we just put minus 1. So we have 18 minus 18i minus 8 into I squared, which is just minus 1. So this is the same as 18 minus 18i plus 8. So we collect like terms, we have 18 plus 8, which is just 26, then minus 18i.